So we're gonna start with by walk opening. Put your feet, transfer your weight side to side. Feel the weight with each feet underneath. And then you're gonna come back to your center. And you're gonna rise your hand, inhale, and then exhale. Sit down slightly and balance. And from here, you're gonna step back and out. And you're gonna turn and walk. Exhale forward. Inhale back. And then bounce. Exhale forward. Inhale back. And balance. Hand out. Drop your hand down. And this is the third movement. The next movement, step halfway forward, halfway back, bounce, transfer, 1, 2. And then new movement, rock your belly 1, rock your belly 3, and step forward.